So, ayan na nga.
Ano tayo? Tawag dito?
Hello mga ka-char, bibigyan tayo ng review ni ate about Three Sisters and Elephant.
Okay. Three Sisters and Elephant, this is not the scenic route. This is the part where you go down and then you'll experience the sand. You need to go here and time it.
Yes.
It has to be low tide so that you can walk along the beach.
Yes.
But some tips, either you walk barefoot like this, what we're doing. You also need to have a sense of balance and a strong knee.
Yes. Pero dalawang beses ako na
And yes, you need to be cautious because the road, like especially the first 2 minutes maybe, is very slippery. But once you get through it, everything is just yes, it's very worth it, and it's just really fine black sand.
Yes.
Yes.
So,
Enjoy the view and obviously be on the lookout if the tide is gonna go up na.
yes. Ayun, yun lang. Ayun sila.
Took me around, just going one way, maybe you'll think it's forever, but maybe 5 to 10 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes,
Yes.
yeah.
And
Ayan
then
yung nilakad.
Yan.
Yan, ito yung nilakad
Maybe pakita mo yung muddy part.
Papakita ko yung muddy parts daw. Diyan kami galing. Ayun si nanay, kinaya ng ilang taon? 72 years old. Ayan na, tumatakbo si Raniel. Yan si Kelsey. Kinaya ng 4-year-old. Kiora! New Zealand! Dapat Kiora. Kaway-kaway.
Tara na daw! Ay!
Video to. Sige.
Doon kami galing kanina! Doon!